G'day. So old mate needed an indicator put on his Colorado, and he didn't know how to get it on because the connection here is different. So this one, the old one, has the little pins in there, and obviously the new one comes out there instead. So what I've looked at the old one and just saw that they're flat pins, so all I did is get a hammer, flatten the ends out, and just smoothed off the ends there. I used a grinder, but you can use a file, and then just poke them back in the way the other connection would go in there, like so. You got yourself a working indicator. Just tuck that out of the way there. Now we're putting this back together. You don't need to take the whole mirror off. Put that on there like that. Too easy. Now to get access to this, you need to take the mirror off the inside, and you can it just pulls off. You know, got to give it a bit of a tug, but you know, it comes right off, and you put it back on the same way, get that way, and just push that back on. We'll do that in a second, but showing you this because these clips here is what holds on to these bits here. So we can put this back on now. Just clip that in. Too easy. And now I have to just push that mirror back on. I'm not going to do it with one hand, but all I have to do is push that mirror back on, and maybe I can. I'll give it a bit of a better push in a second, but that's it. So to get it off, all you have to do is get in there and pull the window off, mirror off, like that. Unclip it, take the shielding off, change your indicator. Bob's your uncle, Jane's your auntie. And the indicator of this is 2007 Rodeo. It's the mirrors that's on this Isuzu D-Max. Yep.
Colorado.
There you go. All right, cheers guys.